How to sign in Binance account on mobile. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial, but first you have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then download this Binance application. And also you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So which type of user are you? You can choose between crypto, novice, or experienced user. So once you tap any of this, then it will take you directly to the sign up section. Now you can sign up with email or phone number, or you can continue with Google. So if you tap this login, then you can simply enter your email address, also your phone number. So either email address or phone number and then tap next. Now, if you want to continue or sign up using your Google, then you have to choose the Google account that you're going to use to sign up here on your Binance. So tap continue with Google, select that Google account. So since I have signed up before, then they ask for my code. So they send 6-digit verification to my phone number. I enter it here. And then after you enter that code on this section, then you can now click submit. And in order for you to log in, they will ask for passkeys and authenticate your application. So passkeys is recommended so that it would be easier for you to log in next time. So if you tap or enable this passkeys, they will just ask for your email and also your phone number. So all you have to do is to provide your email address and phone number here. And then you have your account already here in Binance. So you can now go to the home page or the interface of your Binance and start your transaction. So I really hope that this video helped you. This is how easy it is to sign in Binance account on mobile. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.